Good day, everyone, and welcome back to Mommy Guide Inc. Today, we're excited to highlight another fantastic perk for our KCC 15 All Access Patreon members, the exclusive card making kit sampler. For this card making kit sampler, I was able to create two awesome cards. Cards by Kendra's card making kit sampler is loaded with a variety of premium papers, sparkling embellishments, and some other ephemeras that is perfect to create that easy and fun card for you. Each item is handpicked to help you make stunning cards effortlessly. There is actually even a QR code on the cover of the set sampler kit so that it will be easy for you to determine what the products are actually inside. Now, if you just want to check out Kendra's Card Challenge 15, that is also very much available to everybody. All you need to do is to download the free downloadable PDF in the link posted in the description of this video. Kendra's Card Challenge 15 is a quarterly card making challenge which starts out with 6 sheets of pattern paper to create 15 awesome, stunning cards. And all you need to do is to take a photo of the complete set and upload it onto Kendra's Card Challenge Facebook private Facebook page. On top of that, there are hops almost every week for the whole quarter. So there are so many ways and tons of ways to actually win awesome prizes from Kendra's Card Challenge 15. There are actually about 1,000 worth of prizes from our company sponsors. So thank you so much to our awesome super sponsors. So let's get started. This is card number 1. I just added that scallop circle frame and the sentiment for this card, but basically everything else is part of the sampler kit. So this is basically how I put my card together. I try to first and foremost test out the different elements. If I'm happy with it, then I start putting it on by gluing it onto the card bases and paper. And decided to just last minute add a little bit of shimmer by adding a little bit of wing of Stella on the antlers of the butterflies. And that's it for card number 1. For card number 2, I added another scallop frame, this time in the shape of an oval, and I also added a flower border, a mini one, to accentuate the edges of this card later on. And of course, the sentiment. With endless possibilities, the card making kit sampler lets you create vibrant, detailed, and unique cards. You can unleash your imagination and craft beautiful masterpieces. But that's not all. As a KCC 15 All Access Patreon member, you also get early access to new challenges, a treasure trove of archive challenges, bonus printables, and more. And this is it for card number 2. Let's take another quick peek of the 2 cards that we created today from this card making kit sampler from Kendra's Card Challenge, or by Cards by Kendra. Join our crafting community today and support Kendra's Card Challenge at an elevated level. Click the link below to become an all-access patron member and get your hands on the exclusive card making kit sampler. Again, thank you so much for watching and see you again on the next one. Happy crafting, everyone!